Hey, what's going on, everyone? I caught the Nvidia sell signal. Look at my chart. The last couple of days, we got two sell signals being triggered off of the market. Now, I've seen a lot of content being created talking about a reinvigoration of the stock market crash, the recession, depression. The market went down in Nvidia 10%. I get it. But when we pull back on this price chart for Nvidia, look at where the market actually is trading at. So everyone is running rampant. Mass hysteria is going on in this particular stock. What's about to go down? Well, you can look. Nvidia is trading right here at the trend. Right? Look at that. Do I think it's going to stop there? Not really. And I'm going to break it down. Okay? Because we may see price in Nvidia come down to these other two buy zones and really enhance this consolidation of trading range that may be beginning. Okay, that's a very wide consolidation of trading range. So rather than being hysterical, rather than running crazy and causing a whole lot of fear, we need to anticipate buying opportunities, because people will begin to say, hey, buy the dip in Nvidia. Don't buy the dip. Wait till the market stops dipping, and that's when you come in and buy. So these opportunities may show themselves right around $96 to $100, or maybe even lower than that, to around 90, given how weak the last couple of days Nvidia has traded. All right, so let's break this down. Hit that like button, and also subscribe for more content. Now, we did a price prediction in Nvidia, like a follow-up prior to earnings release. And I said at that particular moment in time that buyers was trying to hold price, but they didn't hold it after earnings was released. Market completely fell off a cliff after earnings. And I said that was a possibility because I didn't change my price prediction at all. But I can't say that, oh, what happened? Why did the market Nvidia go down? Because I even told you at that moment that this sell zone here in Nvidia is the cause as to why market is not breaking out. And this happened way before earnings was released. This is just the risk that you do when you look at stocks. You know what you're up against. So I'm not upset, I'm not nervous, and I'm not running crazy. I can understand the reason why price in Nvidia is not going higher at this moment. I know. I'm cool, I'm calm, I'm collected. In my thinking, in my faculty of understanding and reasoning, I can see precisely why the market Nvidia is going down. The arrows pointed to that area right now. The market gave us a heads up a long time ago. Now, we need to figure out, though, that's the current idea. That's the current trend. The stock price in Nvidia is going lower, but will it continue to go down? Maybe. And we're going to look at the charts for this. So let's go ahead and clean up this chart. Let's get rid of that prediction there. We can get rid of this buy zone here and focus our attention on these other areas down here at the bottom. Now, like I said, we got these sell signals. A sell signal was already triggered on the 29th. People are creating content yesterday on the 3rd of September because Nvidia fell down 9.5%. The key to the game is beating your competition, though. Our signal told you a day, maybe 2 days in advance, that the market in Nvidia was weak. Now, let's see though. On a longer term time frame, will Nvidia hold this trend line? Because it already broke it once. We saw price break trend once. And let's do this. We may need to create this trend. Okay. Now here is Nvidia on the 2-day time frame. Take a look at Nvidia on the 3. Does it look bullish? No, it doesn't. Here it is on the 4. Does it look bullish? No, it doesn't. You can kind of see though, right here. We might see a buy zone here though. So let me mark that. And we're going to look at that a little bit clearer. Here's Nvidia on the 5. Okay, now check this out. We have what? Let me see. 8 hours and 58 minutes left on this current 5-day bar. If it closes the way that it looks now, I'm not looking for the market to bounce around 102 to like 105. I'm not looking for that. That's too close to that push to go down bar that is being printed right now. So in the next 8 hours and 58 minutes, if it looks the way that it looks right now, we need to focus our opportunities down here in this buy zone or even lower. Okay. Here it is on the weekly chart for Nvidia. Take a look. It's on the 2 weeks, 2 days now. Okay. I'm just trying to set this storyline up because people will begin to give you all this doom and gloom when in actuality it might just be a blessing in disguise. Here it is on the 2 weekly chart. We have 2 days and 9 hours left. Hey, look how the price and the price action looks though. Fantastic 2 weeks before. Look at that. Great. You will be looking for the market to continue to go higher. But now it has reclaimed that same move the prior 2 weeks. We're coming right back down to where we started. That is not good if you're a buyer. I'm just going to tell you that straight. That's not good. You do not want to see a market take 2 weeks going in one direction only to have it immediately come back down. That tells you that this market is not trending bullish in Nvidia from off the rip. Just telling you right there. Okay. Here it is on the 3. Same thing. Next 2 days, 9 hours, 8 hours. We cannot see the market Nvidia close this way because I'm looking at these 4 3 weekly price bars. And out of the 4, there's only one that is showing us opportunity of strength. That's it. Just 1 out of the 4. So when you put that on a percentage basis, it's like 25% chance of us looking for price to go up at Nvidia and 75% chance of looking for the market to go lower or continue to show its weakness, right? Here it is on the 5. Here it is on the month. 3 months and the 6 months. Okay. Now let's get back to this hourly time frame because I wanted to see whether or not we got buyers. Okay, so we're not seeing buyers there. So I'm gonna get rid of that. So I think in the short term, volatility will still be here in Nvidia. Probability of us looking for price to continue to decrease is there. So I'm gonna get rid of that trend line. And our opportunity is gonna be looking towards this area here. These 2 buy zones. Now I'm really want us to pay attention to the conclusion of the 2 weekly chart and the 3. We have 2 days and 9 hours, I think, or 6 hours, something like that. So this could change because if we see a massive comeback of buyers in the market in Nvidia right now, then we may actually say, look, we found where the buyers are. And it's going to be right around here. Okay. Again, charts don't lie. Somebody came in and bought Nvidia on these 3 weekly price bars. Okay. So let's see what happens. I'm going to, however, anticipate some lower prices though. So our first target is going to be maybe a little bit higher. Like at $101 or so, that's 6% move down there. Second target is going to be at this buy zone here around like 97, 10% there. Third target is going to be around $90.75, which is a 15% move lower. And then I'm going to bring this up right around there. Okay, so I'm keeping my eyes open on the 2 weeks and the 3 because I really want us to see how weak the market's going to be in the long term. All right, so that is it. I am done. Go ahead and give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit, and I will see you all on the next one.